Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to go through a series of upper body, shoulder and chest opening stretches that you can do anywhere you have access to a wall. So this is not a traditional flow. You don't need a mat, you don't need blocks. It is entirely standing. So grab a wall and let's get started.
Start standing in mountain pose a little bit away from the wall. Feet are hip distance apart. Stand tall through the crown of the head and draw the ribs in. Start to circle the shoulders backwards. And then reverse directions and circle your shoulders forward. Relax the arms, and on an inhale, reach them up overhead. Exhale, bend the elbows, lean back a little bit. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, cactus the arms, lean back, open the chest. Inhale back to center and release the arms down, and then circle the shoulders backwards. Reverse directions, circle forward. Once again, inhale the arms up overhead, and on an exhale, bend the elbows, lean back, open the heart. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, cactus the arms. Bring it back up through center, and then release the arms down. Step close to the wall, keep the feet hip distance apart, and press your whole upper body against the wall. So lower back against the wall, drawing the ribs in. Bring the elbows to a W shape and pull them towards the wall. Start to extend the arms up overhead, imagining that your hands will stay glued to the wall the entire time. If they come away from the wall a little bit, no worries. But really use your muscles to straighten them as much as you can at the top, and to try to pull them towards the wall the entire time. Move from your W all the way up overhead, moving with your breath. Take your time and keep your upper body pressed to the wall. Release the arms down by the side. Take a moment to shake it out. And then bring the arms out to the side. And then cross the left arm underneath the right arm, coming into eagle pose. Draw the shoulders away from the ears, but pull the elbows forward, opening up the back body, separating the shoulder blades. Slowly unwind the arms, bring them back out to the side, and then reverse, taking the left elbow on top of the right. Maybe the hands clasp. Maybe you bring the backs of the hands together. Wherever you are, breathe space into the back body and keep the shoulders down. Slowly unwind. Take a moment to shake out the arms, check your foundation, and then bring the arms back to a W and move through your wall angels again. Really using your shoulder muscles to straighten the arms as much as you can at the top, staying as close to the wall as possible with the hands. Take about 5 here, moving at your own pace. And then release the arms. Once again, inhale the arms out to the side, and then cross the right elbow over the left, coming back into eagle pose. Really separate the shoulder blades. Unwind the arms, take a moment to reset, and then draw your arms out to the side, and then wrap your left elbow on top of your right. Breathe space into your back body here. And then release the arms. From here, turn around to face the wall. Place the hands about shoulder height, spread the fingers, palms flat on the wall. And then maybe you take the feet farther away. We're going to move into scap push-ups here. So sink the chest forward, imagining you're going to pinch the shoulder blades together. And then push the wall away, separating the shoulder blades and rounding the upper back. So keeping the elbows straight, the core tight, really isolating the shoulder blades. Sinking to draw the shoulder blades together, and then pushing to separate them apart. Come back to a neutral spine. Flip the hands so the fingertips face down to the floor, stretching out the wrists. Maybe you alternate a bend in the elbow to intensify the stretch, or maybe not. Find a spacing that works for you. And when you've had enough, take some circles with the wrists. Maybe you shake them out. And then come back to your standing sort of push-up position and move into your scap push-ups again. Maybe this time you come up onto the balls of the feet, taking the stance farther away from the wall to add a little bit more weight into the hands, or maybe not. So sink to bring the shoulder blades together and push to separate them apart. Flip the fingertips back to the floor, and once again, take your wrist stretch. So maybe finding those little elbow bends, and adjust your feet so that you find a spacing that works for you. From here, bring the hands up on the wall, and then really draw the ribs in, almost rounding the upper back. And then sink your upper body down, trying to find traction in your armpits and your lats. So staying round here, opening up the armpits. Think about wrapping your lat muscles forward. And then step your feet in a little bit and relax the upper back, coming into more of an arch. So variation of puppy dog pose here. Trying to drop the armpits down towards the wall. Maybe your chin rests on the wall. Maybe not. And then find your way back up to standing. Take a moment to shake out the arms, shake the shoulders. And we'll take those two stretches one more time. So starting with the lat stretch, palms flat on the wall, round the upper back. Imagine that you're gonna pull the wall down to the floor. Maybe this time you take the elbows to the wall, bringing hands together and bending your elbows so that your hands come to the back of your neck. This gives you a little bit more sensation in the triceps. When you've had enough, back out, bring the hands farther up the wall and move into your variation of puppy dog. So bringing the armpits close to the wall, dropping the chest, gazing up at the fingertips. Maybe palms are flat, maybe you tent the fingers. When you've had enough, come back to standing. Take a moment to shake it out. And then turn around and return to the position where your upper body is pressed against the wall. Bring the hands and the shoulders to 90 degrees. And then internally rotate the shoulders, keeping the elbows on the wall, imagining that you're going to drop the hands down to touch the wall. Then bring them back up. Move through this a few times. And then turn around to face the wall. Extend your right arm out to the side and rotate your body to the left. So opening up the right side of our chest here, palm presses against the wall, breathe space into your right shoulder and into your chest. And really make sure that your hand is in line with your shoulder. So not above, not below. Arm goes straight out to the side. And then bring it back through center and move to the other side. So left arm extends out to the side and body twists open to the right. Breathing space into the shoulder and the chest. And when you've had enough, come back to center. Take a moment to shake it out. And then turn around, preparing for one more round of internal rotation with the shoulders. So arms come to 90-degree angles, dropping the hands down, and then lifting back up. Again, really use your muscles to try to pull the palms down towards the wall at the bottom. Take about 5 here. And then once again, turn around for our chest stretch. Maybe this time you cactus the arm and bring the elbow to a 90-degree angle to intensify the stretch. With each exhale, really try to draw your shoulder closer to the wall. And then slowly come back through center and move to the other side. Left arm either out to the side or at 90 degrees. And open the body to the right. When you've had enough, bring it back through center. Take a moment to reset, and then bring both hands straight out in front, palms on the wall, fingertips spread. Press through the right hand as you open to the left, gaze over the left thumb. Come back through center, and then twist the body open to the right, extending the right arm out to the side. So getting a little bit more stretch through the chest, moving side to side here. Maybe feeling it down the arm, a little bit in the elbow. Really try to keep your palm flat on the wall as you do this, opening only as much as you can, and moving back and forth with your breath. And take 3 to each side here. And then bring it back to center and shake it out.